Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana Summertime. My intro was copyrighted. Let's not talk about it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of the satin hair accessories from my collection. When I say in my collection, I don't just mean the things that I have in my drawer. I mean my collection that I designed, sourced, and curated, that I sell on my website. It's my business. I have a business now. Well, actually I've had a business since November, but I didn't do a very good job of telling you guys about it. I think I announced it really quietly in just one small video. So this is actually going to be the first video that I've ever dedicated to my brand. My brand is called Hedgie, and Hedgie is named after my star product. It's like the main thing. It's the first thing I ever designed, and it's the main product that I sell on my website. So that's why the whole website and the whole brand is called Hedgie. A headshie is a headband and a scrunchie in one. It's super versatile. You can wear it up, down, as a headband, as a scrunchie, any way that you want to wear it. So that's why I really love them. Everything on my website is made of satin, and that's because in my opinion satin is the best material for your hair. I like it better than silk because silk is not vegan, and I wanted all of my products to be vegan. That's why we went with satin. So the satin is really soft, it doesn't tear or snag your hair whatsoever, it doesn't make any kinks. So I just really love it. Plus it has just the perfect amount of gloss on it as well, which you're going to see in a second. So that's enough of me rambling. I'm going to show you them in a sec, right after you guys like the video and subscribe if you feel like subscribing, and make sure your notifications are turned on as well so you don't miss my videos when I upload. So you've done that? Okay. You sure? Okay. Right, let's try them on. This is the cream headshie. This is the first time I think that any of you have seen this on me. This is the first time I've seen this on me because I actually have not tried on this color. Ah, so cute! So this is actually part of my spring summer 2020 collection. I wanted them to have the perfect amount of ruffles so it would just look so amazing like this. It just looks so cute. Drum roll please. This next one might be my favorite of all time. Baby blue. I love this color so much. I had to try these on. I love the color so much. Look at this. I love wearing them as a headband. Look at that. I think they're so flattering and so cute. And now that we have the spring summer collection, I mean, I know we're currently in quarantine. However, it's not going to be forever. We're not always going to be in quarantine. Summer is going to come. Summer's going to come around and I'm going to be wearing this daily. It's just so flattering for your hair. I know I have the twists in right now, but when I have my curly hair out and about, this looks just as good, maybe even better. Transition time. Are you ready for this? Ooh. Oh. Next up is going to be a lot of yours favorites, I think, because I had a lot of requests for this color. It's pink. Now it does have a label in it that just says Hedgie, so you just want to make sure that that's on the inside. You just slide it onto your head like this. This color, I picked it because I wanted a pink that was going to be flattering on warm and cool skin tones, and I feel like I found a really good combo here. But right now I'm definitely looking very warm and this is very flattering, but I think it would be very flattering on a cool skin tone as well. You can tie your hair up, you can have an updo, you can have a half up, half down. You can have anything you want with these. You could just wear the usual headband. Just wear it as an accessory to whichever style you're wearing at the moment. This is going to help you out no matter the case. You can literally wear this any way that you want. This next one is the last new color in the spring summer collection. So it is coral, and this one is of course that nice blend between being orangey and pink. Is a lot brighter than the pink one, so the pink is actually quite muted. This one is really bright in comparison. I love wearing these as a headband. Honestly, I always get compliments when I wear these as a headband. Do you know something? As soon as I put this on, I could suddenly hear house music blaring in my eardrums. I could taste that pineapple juice as it trickled down my throat, and I could feel the warmth of the summer sun, because this headband is the exact colour of summer in my opinion. That is how strong the summer feels are when I wear this. Look at it. Look at it. You don't want to wear it as a headband anymore? Fine, wear it as a scrunchie. It loves it. It wants it. Look. That is how easy it is. Right, imagine this. You're out, you're at school, you're shopping or something, you've got a shoulder bag on and your hair is down. You've got the headband on. It looked cute in the morning. Now suddenly you've got books or you bought something. Now your bag is heavy. Now it starts catching on your hair. What are you gonna do? Easy. You're gonna take your headband down and you're gonna use it as a scrunchie. You're gonna secure your hair at the back or to the side, out of the way of your bag strap. It's no longer catching. It's no longer annoying. Now your hair is looking cuter than ever. And you didn't have to get anything out of your bag, you didn't have to bring anything else with you. This is why I say the Hedgie motto is that this is all you're ever going to need. You want to wrap it around twice, you can wrap it around twice. You can go 3 times, secure it a bit more. Perfect! I love it. Something I didn't show you with these actually is just how good it is at securing hairstyles. So say you want to do a half up, half down. So we take this bit. So I took most of my twists. And it works perfectly. This is not going, oh my gosh, this is not going anywhere. This is not moving, it's not budging. So on top of those, we also have gold, black and brown, which come from the autumn winter launch back in November. So over on the Hedgie Hair Instagram page, I had some people asking me to compare the new cream colour to this gold colour. As you can see, the cream is a lot lighter and the gold is a lot darker and brassier. I think they're both great for the summertime. Let me also show you black. Black is just such a classic colour and I've really enjoyed wearing this all winter, and I'm going to keep wearing it whenever I want something a bit more sleek and chic. It's just a timeless colour. You can't go wrong with black ever. And the last colour of Hedgie is the best selling Hedgie of all time. This one was an instant hit and people even started calling it a classic, iconic. So this is the chocolate brown Hedgie. So if you didn't already catch it, my brand Hedgie does have its own Instagram page, which is at Hedgie Hair, and we run giveaways every time we reach a new 1,000 followers. So at first we ran a giveaway, well I say we, it's me. So at first I had a giveaway for the first 500 followers and another giveaway at 1,000 followers. We're currently at about 1,200 followers and there will be another giveaway for a Hedgie like the ones you've just seen. There will be another giveaway at 2,000 followers. So make sure you're following the page, and that way you'll know as soon as the giveaway is announced. It usually runs just for a couple of days, so you're going to need to be quick. You're going to be the first to be notified. So make sure you don't miss that. Just go onto Instagram and follow at Hedgie Hair. Hedgies are actually not the only type of hair accessory that we have on the website. I actually curated a whole line of scrunchies and mini scrunchies as well. So here they are. These are the mini scrunchies and they're so cute. So you have like, they're just really tiny like this, smaller than regular scrunchies. That's why they're called mini scrunchies. And actually I call them mini Hedgies just because of the way that they look. I just feel like they look more like a tiny Hedgie than they look like a scrunchie. This is how a Hedgie looks and this is how the mini scrunchie looks. They look the same. It's just like this one was just zapped with a little shrinker gun and that's how it looks now. So that's why I call them mini Hedgies rather than mini scrunchies. But they are mini scrunchies. And let me just show you how these go. So we have this ivory mini scrunchie. It's small enough that it will hold your hair if you only wrap it once, but you can also go ahead and wrap twice for a much tighter hold. So it just depends what you want. So these minis actually come in a pack of 6, so you receive all 6 colours at once. These mini scrunchies are a great alternative to regular hair ties, especially if you're going to be doing sleek hairstyles or if you just tie your hair up on a daily basis, because they reduce breakage and they don't leave kinks in your hair. So there you have it. That is a huge chunk of the products that I have on my website. There are actually a few more like regular size scrunchies that I haven't tried on in this video, but you can go over to the website and have a look at those if you feel like it. I want to take this opportunity to say a big thank you for watching this video, for supporting me and my channel, and I just feel so blessed that I was able to just stand here and film a video for my subscribers of me trying on products that I designed, that have come to life, that people have purchased and enjoyed. The world is a crazy place. Thank you so much. If you liked this video, please thumbs it up. Also subscribe to my channel for more hair care and hairstyling and a whole bunch of other bits and bobs about lifestyle and my life in particular. Also check out the Hedgie hair Instagram page and my Instagram page where I put all of the blessings and the breakdown. And don't forget about those giveaways that I run every single time that the Hedgie hair Instagram page reaches another 1,000 followers. So you need to be in it to win it, as they say. So make sure you head over and check out the page. Thanks again so much for watching. All of the links are in the description if you feel like you want to check anything out that you've seen here. That's it from me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!